What's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Garage Vlog, and today I'm finally gonna show you guys the freshly new painted K5 Turbo. But before that, I'm gonna talk about merch. A lot of you guys have been asking for that since we started Bomber League in 2016, and we're gonna let off the brakes on that one now and start selling these sweatshirts and hoodies. We've been selling snapbacks and stickers for a while. The snapbacks haven't been available. Since last year, I think. But we're finally gonna start putting up a web shop in partnership with Rotorwear/Onroaders. So you're gonna be able to buy our stuff through their web shop around January, February, somewhere around there. So not before Christmas, I'm sorry. But it's coming, guys, so stay tuned for that. Now back to the turbo bike. So I picked it up this Saturday, I think. It's Monday now, so yeah, this Saturday. And it was a 6-hour drive. Took my Fireblade wheels and tank to him too. He's gonna help me out repainting those so they look super fresh too. And then I saw the finished result and I was, I don't know where to start. I don't know if I like the wheels more than the actual frame. You'll see in a second why. But this is gonna turn out so f***ing good. Yeah, I'm really stoked about this one, as you can see. So let's check it out. Drum roll, please. Bam! How about that? How about that? You know, I don't know what to say. Like, look at that fluorescent red/orange, whatever you want to call it. This thing is poppin', yo. So the frame is powder coated with just a matte finish, exactly like I wanted it to. The wheels are actually spray painted, so they're not powder coated. You couldn't get the color code for the power coating blah 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 color or whatever it was, so we did just some regular spray painting on that one. But this frame looks so sick. Like, I could cuddle with this all day long. Everything here was sandblasted before. It was powder coated, of course. This mask spot right here is missing some color, but it's gonna be the swing arm pivot sitting on here, so it's not gonna be visible. I'm gonna just grind it down a little bit so it doesn't flake off onto the edge here. And also here we had the serial number for the frame on a sticker, so I'm gonna put a sticker over here again. But the actual frame number is here. You can't see it now, so I'm gonna have to stamp those out. But otherwise, oh my god, this looks better than factory actually. The factory color or the factory paint can't even compare to the finished result on this frame. And look at this subframe. Like, oh my god. Also powder coated. Super fresh. Here's the other subframe piece. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna drop these, so I'm gonna put them here. I'm shaking. But yeah, this, oh my god, I can't even speak. This color alongside with the livery design that I'm gonna be having, this one. This is the Aryan racing livery that they had on the CBR 900 that Nicky Hayden used to ride in the AMAs back in the 90s. And I think this Honda livery will look perfect on a Suzuki. I love Honda, as you can see. I love Suzuki, so I'm gonna mix them up and we're gonna have a cute little Honda Suzuki baby. I'm so thankful for getting this painted, and you know, now we have something to look forward putting together. So massive thanks to my friend, my Norwegian friend Jarle. I'm gonna show you guys a clip real quick when I visited him and show you his shop and all the parts that I brought with me and the parts that are sitting right here. So let's check that out.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on, we're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on, we're moving on, we're moving on.
So back here again. Thanks 1,000 times for making this possible. You know, you can spray paint this with a spray can from like Home Depot, but nothing beats this from a professional spray painter. I'm so thankful that he actually did this for free. I could have never been able to afford this. Otherwise I had to like do this on my own, but he hit me up. He said he liked my turbo bike and all the posts I do, so he was like, yeah, come bring it to me. And I am forever thankful. I'm literally scared to even ride this bike now because it's so fresh. It's never been looking this good ever. And yeah, what can I say? I'm at a loss for words right now because it means so much to me that people that watch all these videos and these photos actually appreciate them so much that they want to help me and my friends out with stuff like this. I don't know, I'm speechless. Like, this is insane. And also, the fairings on this project will be sponsored by Alkmarts from United States. We're gonna get a full set of black fairings that we're then gonna wrap up at my friend's shop. The design is actually too complicated to like make in Photoshop, send it to them and get a set of fairings over here, and the colors don't match. We'll probably run out of time and don't have to, we probably can't get them back in time with the right colors and all that stuff. So I asked him to actually just send me a plain gloss black fairing kit, and then we're gonna show you guys when we wrap the whole bike with the new livery. And oh my god, it's gonna be so sick. And yeah, this keeps me so motivated. So I have so much going on right now. I have the K5 here now, and I have the Fireblade, getting that stuff painted. But now we're gonna focus 100% on the K5. So I'm not gonna keep this one any longer actually. Next episode we'll start putting all the new bearings on the steering head and the wheels. We're gonna start stripping down the paint on the swing arm, get it brushed up. Then we can start putting it together, getting the engine out of all the boxes behind me here, and then it's spring. It sounds like, oh, it's just this and this, but we're gonna have so much stuff to do, and I can't wait to show you guys all the progress, and I hope that you will stick with me to the end. Not to the end, I hope you will always watch all the stuff that we put out, but yeah, that's what we have going on right now. So in the next episode we'll show you the bearing replacement, and hopefully by the end of that vlog, we'll have the K5 on a rolling chassis, waiting for the engine to come back in. So thanks so much, Jarle, for all the work that you did on the frame and the wheels. The tank isn't here yet, but I'm gonna go pick that up alongside with the Fireblades wheels and tank too. But yeah, now this project starts for real. So without further ado, I want to thank Jarle for the paint on this bike. I want to thank Alkmaars for soon sending out the new fairings. I want to thank One Bike, Cardo System, GTV Solutions, Action King, and On Rotors / Rotorwear, of course. And a massive thanks to you guys watching and supporting us. It means so much. Please like, comment, and share this video if you enjoyed it and want to show it to your friends so they can see this awesome build being finished during the winter. See you guys next week.